Hey, what's up guys? Getting ready to test out this ARROWMAX engraving kit. So I'm actually going to use it on some parts from my son. He does a lot of 3D modeling and 3D printing stuff. So he has these model bearings that he made here. So and his the shaft here that he or axle that he made here doesn't quite fit. So I'm going to test it out and see how well it actually grinds out some of this stuff. So I'm going to show you up really nice and close here. Real quick before we get into the demo part, let me show you the case. It's really cool. Turn it on in. You just push and it pops open. Really cool. Nice metal case. This is how everything's in here. So this has grinding stuff. And then here's the actual tool. And then a bunch of different bits and stuff on the other side. So let's grab this tool out of here. And I'm going to choose one of these smaller ones on the back. Like I said, I have these little model bearings that he needs bigger. So I'm just going to try one of these smaller bits. So pretty easy. Just open up the tool by turning this here. Slide in your bit and tighten it down. So hold the bottom one. You see there's two different pieces. So there's a top and a bottom. So hold the bottom one still, tighten the top one. So that's how you loosen and tighten. The power button right here, hit it, hold it for a second to turn it on. All right, that one works. Let's check this one. So yeah, guys, that was just a quick look at this ARROWMAX engraver tool. Just wanted to show you everything it came with, some of the things you can do with it. It comes with just a huge amount of bits, so you can do all kinds of precision detail work, engraving wood or grinding, carving small things out, like 3D prints like I just showed you. So really cool tool. It does a good job and absolutely recommend it for anybody who needs that fine detail type work for arts and crafts or anything like that.